hiccups. Oh, I've already created one video on curing hiccups with peanut butter. I got hiccups again. But I guess that comes with drinking. So here we go. My roommate gave me a ball of peanut butter and a spoon. And I'm going to show that you can just cure hiccups with just peanut butter and a spoon. I already have a video on YouTube based on this, but let's do it again. About ready to crash out. It's about 10 at night, 11 at night.
Why not?
Okay, so.
Yeah, a little too okay, if you know what I'm talking about. No, I don't know. What's that?
Spoonful of peanut butter
Things are going to the shitter real quick.
to cure my hiccups.
Why is she dumping you? Nah, I'm dumping her.
Okay, so here we go.
Lindy, what are you crazy? Lindy's gorgeous. On the surface, but believe me, when you get to know her better, there's like a whole other story going on there. Yeah? How goes that? We're sitting there, you know, and she's got her there.
Make sure you have plenty of peanut butter.
On the couch, and I noticed that her second toe is like half an inch longer
That's
than
it.
her big toe.
That's all I need.
That's it? You're breaking up over that. Hey, I don't need that circus shit. Oh, come on. I mean, couldn't she get the toe file down or something? What, then I'm taking a nub? Hey, man, I'm starting to think we're genius
Okay.
here. Speak for
See
yourself.
how it worked?
What, you got the promotion? No, don't hear about that till tomorrow. But guess who is now officially going out with Jill? Jill? Your neighbor Jill. You're going out with Jill, your neighbor. And she doesn't exactly hate me. Get out! You are the luckiest man on the planet. So what are you doing here? She's hostessing until
Well,
11. Actually, boom. I better
let's
get
see if it
going and
works.
try to catch her on the way home.
Works so
See if she
far.
wants to get a drink or something. I know you, that's not all she'll be getting. See you later.
I said no.
Those my hiccups are gone.
Because I don't want to go on a drink.
It's like the first video I did.
Hey.
So,
Are you mad or something?
No, I'm not mad. I just.
well.
Go on, say it. You know what? No matter what it is,
Let's just sit here and feel no hiccups.
Hal, I'm not attracted to you.
So what? What, you think
Well, there you
everybody
go.
else is attracted to each other?
No more hiccups. I had hiccups. Just did a spoonful of peanut butter. I have other video when I was buzzed because I do have hiccups when I get buzzed. So I'm sure the other video is pretty much buzzed, but hiccups are gone over peanut butter.
That's it, just like that. We're breaking up.
Thank you.